Everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing the next part of exercise 3.2 of matrices class 12 maths NCERT. So let's start. We are at question 12. In the next part we'll be completing exercise 3.2. So you can watch that also, and the previous parts we have already seen. So let's start. The question is given 3x, y, z, w is equal to x6 minus 1 2w plus 4x plus y 2 plus w 3. Find the value of x, y, z and w. So now what we have is one matrix at the left side and two matrices at the right hand side. Now these two matrices are of the same order, so we can add them so that we can equate it with the left hand side matrix. So let's do that. It will be 3x, y, z, w is equal to, now adding the elements at each place, that is a11 is x and 4. So x plus 4. This is 6 plus x plus y. Minus 1 plus 2 plus w. So minus 1 plus 2 is 1. So 1 plus w. 2w plus 3. Now we can also do one more thing, that is multiply 3 to each of the elements of the matrix on the left hand side. So this will be 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w is equal to x plus 4, 6 plus x plus y, 1 plus w, 2w plus 3. Now we'll equate the elements on the left hand side matrix with the elements on the right hand side matrix. So 3x is equal to x plus 4. Therefore 2x is equal to 4, because 3x minus x is 2x. So x is equal to 2. So we have already got the value for x. Now the next element, 3y is equal to 6 plus x plus y. 3y is equal to 6 plus x plus y. So now we already have the value of x. We'll substitute that. And also we can take y to the other side. It will be 3y minus y is equal to 6 plus 2. Therefore 2y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 4, because 8 by 2 is 4. So we have also got the value of y. Now the next element is 3z is equal to 1 plus w. 3z is equal to 1 plus w. This is the first equation, this is the second equation, this is the third equation. 3z is equal to 1 plus w. Now here we don't have the value of any of the elements. So let's proceed to the fourth equation. 3w is equal to 2w plus 3. Now we can take 2w to the other side. From here we can get the value for w. So it will be w is equal to 3, because 3w minus 2w is w. So the value of w we have got, which we can substitute in the third equation. So the 3z is equal to 1 plus 3. Therefore 3z is equal to 4. Therefore z is equal to 4 by 3. Let's go to the next question. If f of x is equal to this matrix, show that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Now f of x is already given, where the functions are in terms of x. Now we'll make the functions in terms of y to get f of y. F of y is equal to cos y minus sin y 0, sin y cos y 0, 0, 0 and 1. Now let's multiply both the matrices. So it will be f of x into f of y is equal to, now we know that both are 3 cross 3 matrices, so both can be multiplied. Also, the resultant matrix will have order 3 cross 3 because 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 3, if you take this, will give us the row and column of the resultant matrix. So this and this is the number of rows of the resultant matrix, and this is the number of columns of the resultant matrix. So let's start. First row, cos x minus sin x 0, and first column, this is what we'll be using. So cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y plus 0 into 0, so that is 0. Next, first row, second column, so cos x into minus sin y, so minus cos x sin y plus minus sin x into cos y, so minus sin x cos y plus 0 into 0, which is 0. Next, first row, third column, so cos x into 0 minus sin x into 0, which is again 0, and plus 0 into 1, again 0. So this is going to be 0. Next, second row, first column, so sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y plus 0 into 0, which is 0. Now next, second row and second column. So sin x into minus sin y, that is minus sin x sin y, cos x into cos y plus cos x into cos y, and 0 into 0. So it will be 0. Again, second row, third column. So sin x into 0 plus cos x into 0 plus 0 into 1, which is again 0. Now, third row, first column. So 0 into cos y is 0, 0 into sin y is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So we have this as 0, 0 into 0, 0 into, 0 into sin y, 0 into cos y, 1 into 0, again 0, 1 into 0, 1 into 0, and 1 into 1, which is 1. Now, we can see that this is the same as the expansion for cos x plus y. Cos of x plus y, which is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So that can be substituted. So this will be cos of x plus y. Next, here we can take minus common. So what will be remaining is cos x sin y plus sin x cos y, which is same as sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, which is same as sin of x plus y. Now, and 0 will remain 0. Similarly, next one, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, which is again the expansion of sin of x plus y. So that can be substituted. This is minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y, which is same as cos x cos y minus sin x sin y as the first term. So this is again the expression for cos of x plus y. This will remain 0, this will remain 0, this will remain 0, and this will be 1. Now we have to prove that this is equal to f of x plus y. Now f of x plus y is this original matrix where we substitute x with x plus y. So f of x plus y is equal to cos of x plus y minus sine of x plus y, 0 sine of x plus y, cos of x plus y, 0, 0, 0 and 1. Now let's compare both. You can see that first element is same, second element is same, third element of the same row is same. Similarly, all the other elements. So we have proved that f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus y. Now let's go to the next question. You have to show that this first multiplication of matrices is not equal to the second multiplication. Means they are trying to say that the A matrix into B matrix is not equal to B into A, because they are the same matrices. You can just compare 2 1 3 4 2 1 3 4 5 minus 1 6 7 5 minus 1 6 7. So let's take the first pair and multiply. How do we go? First row into first column, then first row into second column, then second row into first column, second row into second column. And we know what will be the resultant matrix order. 2 cross 2 into 2 cross 2. This is multiplicable because number of columns is equal to number of rows. Also, resultant will have 2 cross 2. So 5 into 2 minus 1 into 3. 5 into 2 minus 1 into 3. Again 5 into 1 1 minus 1 into 4. 6 into 2 plus 7 into 3. 6 into 1 plus 7 into 4. So this will be equal to 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. 5 into 1 is 5, 5 plus 5 minus 4, which is 1. 6 into 2 is 12, 12 plus 21. So that is 30, 33. And this is 6 into 1 is 6 plus 7 into 4 is 28. 28 plus 6 is 34. This is the first multiplication, that is A into B. Now let's find out B into A. 2 into 5 is 10 plus 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 into 7 is 7. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 4 into 6 is 24. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 4 into 7 is 28. This is equal to 16. 10 plus 6, 7 minus 2 is 5. 15 plus 24 is 39. Minus 3 plus 28 is 25. Now let's compare both the matrices. We can see that this matrix is not equal to the second matrix. So we have proved that the first pair of matrices, when they are multiplied, is not equal to the second pair of matrices. Now let's go to the next question. Here similarly you have to do, but with 3 cross 3 matrix. Now let's do the multiplication directly. So this will be 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 0, because row into column, right? So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 2 into 0 is 0 plus 3 into 2 is 6. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, plus 3 into 3 is 9. 1 into 0 is 0, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 into 4 is 12. 0 into minus 1 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus 3 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 4 is 0. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 0 into 3 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 4 is 0. So this matrix will give us 5 and 8 and 14, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 1. This is the multiplication of the first pair of matrices. Now let's go to the next pair, that is these two. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 1 is 0. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0, minus 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1. 0 into 3 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, sorry, minus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0, plus minus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0. So let's recheck this. 0 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0, 1 into 1, 0 into 2, minus 1 into minus 1. Sorry, this is minus 1 plus 1 into 1. So this is minus 1 plus 1 and this is 0, 0, 0. Now next, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 into 0 is 0, plus 4 into 1 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 3 into 1 is 3, plus 4 into 1 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6, plus 3 into 0 is 0, plus 4 into 0 is 0. Now the values when added will give us minus 1, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, minus 3, 1, 0, 0, 6, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 and 6. Now when we compare, again we prove that A into B is not equal to B into A. Right? Now let's go to the next question. Find A square minus 5A plus 6I if A is equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. Now I is the identity matrix and you have to choose I depending on the order of the matrix which is given. So here it's a 3 cross 3. So our identity matrix will be again 3 cross 3. So it will be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now let's find out. A square is equal to A into A. So you are going to multiply A with itself. So let's do that. Now multiplying 2 first row, first column. So 2 into 2 is 4, plus 0 into 2 is 0, plus 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 0 into 3 is 0, plus 1 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 into 2 is 2, plus 3 into 1 is 3. 2 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 1 is 1, plus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 3 is 3, plus 3 into 0 is 0. 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, plus 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, plus 0 into minus 1 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, plus 0 into 0 is 0. Now let's find out the resultant matrix, which is equal to 5, minus 1, 2, 9, minus 2, 5, 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 1, minus 2. Now we have to find out minus 5a, which is multiplication of this matrix by minus 5. So minus 5a is equal to minus 5 into this. So it is 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 0, which is equal to minus 10, 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 5, minus 15, minus 5, 5, 0. Now 6i. 6i is 6 times the identity matrix, which is equal to 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Let's add each of the terms to get the value of a square minus 5a plus 6i. So that is a square minus 5a plus 6i is equal to 5 minus 1, 2, 9, minus 2, 5, 0, minus 1, minus 2, plus minus 10, 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 5, minus 15, minus 5, 5, 0, plus 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Now let's add. 5 minus 10 is minus 5, minus 5 plus 6 is 1. Minus 1 plus 0 is minus 1, plus 0 again minus 1. 2 minus 5 is minus 3, again plus 0. 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7, plus 6 is minus 1. 5 minus 15 is minus 10. 0 minus 5, so minus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is 4. Minus 2 plus 6 is 4. Now this is the value of the final matrix. Let's go to the next question. If A is equal to 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3, you have to prove that a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus 2i is equal to 0. So first let's find out a cube, which is a square into a. So before that we can just find out a square. a square is equal to a multiplied by a, which is equal to 102,021,203 multiplied by the same 102,021,203. Now let's find out the answer. 1 into 1 is 1, plus 0 into 0 is 0, plus 2 into 2 is 4. 1 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0, plus 2 into 0 is 0. 1 into 2 is 2, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 2 into 3 is 6. 0 into 1 is 0, plus 2 into 0 is 0, plus 1 into 2 is 2. 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0, plus 2 into 2 is 4, plus 1 into 0 is 0. And 0 into 2 is 0, plus 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 0 into 0 is 0, plus 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0, plus 3 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 0 into 1 is 0, plus 3 into 3 is 9. This gives us 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0 and 13. Now let's find out a cube. A cube will be this a square into a, which will be 5, 0, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8, 0, 13 into this original matrix, which is 1, 0, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, 3. This is equal to 5 into 1 is 5, first row into first column. 5 into 1 is 5, 0 into 0 is 0, plus 8 into 2 is 16. 5 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0, 8 into 0 is 0. 5 into 2 is 10, plus 1 into 0 is 0, plus 8 into 3 is 24. 2 into 1 is 2, plus 4 into 0 is 0, plus 5 into 2 is 10. 2 into 0 is 0, plus 4 into 2 is 8, plus 5 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2 is 4, plus 4 into 1 is 4, plus 5 into 3 is 15. 8 into 1 is 8, plus 0 into 0 is 0, plus 13 into 2 is 26. Next, 8 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 2 is 0, plus 13 into 0 is 0. 8 into 2 is 16, plus 0 into 1 is 0, plus 13 into 3 is 39. Now, a cube, the resultant will be 5 plus 16, which is 21. This is a cube. 0. 10 plus 24, which is 34. 2 plus 10 is 12. 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 15 is 23. And 8 plus 26 is 34. 0. 16 plus 39 will give us 55. Now we have to find out 6a square. So let's solve it here itself, where we have found out the value of a square. 6a square will be multiplication of a square by 6. So 6a square is equal to 30, 0, again 6 8s are 48, 6 2s are 12, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30 again, 6 8s are 48, 6 zeros are 0, 6 13s are 6, 78. Now we have the value of 6a square, we have the value of a cube, we need the value of 7a, which can be easily done. So let's start substituting the values in this equation. A cube is 21, 0, 34, 12, 8, 23, 34, 0, 55, minus 6a square, which we just now we found out, which is 30, 0, 48, 12, 24, 30, 48, 0, 78. Now we have to find out plus 7a. Plus 7a will be multiplication of a with 7, which we can easily find out. So it will be 7 into 1, which is 7. 7 into 0 is 0. 7 into 2 is 14. 0, 14, 7, 14, 0 and 21. Plus 2i. Plus 2i means 2 into the identity matrix. Again, this is 3 cross 3. So we'll be selecting this identity matrix. So it will be 2 into I, that is 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. Now let's find out what this gives us. 21 minus 30. So 21 minus 30 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 7 is minus 5. Minus 2, sorry, and minus 2 plus 2 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0, again all are zeros. 34 minus 48 will give us minus 14. Minus 14 plus 14 is 0. 12 minus 12 is 0 plus 0 plus 0, again 0. 8 minus 24 is minus 16. Minus 16 plus 14 is minus 2 plus 2, which is 0. 23 minus 30 is minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. 34 minus 48 is again minus 14. Minus 14 plus 14 is 0. 55 minus 78 will give us minus 23. Minus 23 plus 21 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. These all are 0. So this will be 0. Now what we have got is this is equal to 0. So we have proved that this expression gives us the value as 0 when we solve it. Now let's go to the next question. If a is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and I is equal to 1 0 0 1, you have to find out k so that a square is equal to ka minus 2i. So a square will be a into a, which is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Ka will be k into a and 2i will be 2 into identity matrix, which is already given. So we'll also substitute that. Now we'll find out a square. 3 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 3 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2. 4 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into minus 2. So this will give us 9 minus 8, which is 1. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6 plus 4, which is minus 2. 4 into 3 is 12. 12 minus 8, which is 4. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Now we'll substitute this in this equation later. First we'll find out Ka minus 2i, which is equal to 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k, minus 2 into identity matrix, which is minus 2 0 0 2. Now we will solve this. This will be 3k minus 2 minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2. Now we will equate this with this. So it will be 3k minus 2k, 4k minus 2k minus 2k minus 2, which is equal to 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4. Now we have to find out the value of k. So we can easily find out using the smallest expression which is there instead of using all the others. If you find that easy, you can use that. But we can see that third element, that is second row first element, is the smallest expression which we have, which is 4k is equal to 4. Therefore k is equal to 4 by 4, which is 1. So we have easily got the expression, the value of k using this easiest expression. You can also use minus 2k is equal to minus 2. You are going to get the same value. Now the rest of the questions we will see in the next part. So don't miss that. We have also solved all the previous questions in the videos which have come up before this. You can watch that too. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubts or concepts on which you would like videos to be made, please mention them in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.